This is Max Williams with United Real Estate. Today, I'm in Western Henrico. Today, we're going to take a look at a 4-bedroom, 2.5-bath home. This home is situated here in a nice established neighborhood, built in the mid-70s. We've got really good sized lots and super convenient here in Western Henrico. If you're at all familiar with this location, you know pretty much anything you need from sushi to soccer balls can be obtained within just a few minutes drive. This home situated here on a nice corner lot. We've got some really nice appeal here. A more traditional floor plan. I know everyone is not a big fan of open concepts, so I try to bring you a nice variety here in Central Virginia. One of the great things about this time of year is the summer rush has subsided. Everyone that was going to buy in order to get Junior into school, that's pretty much stopped. And at this point, that means that we have sellers that have homes on the market that may be a little bit more motivated. We see a little bit of a slowdown this time of year. Homes are bought and sold all 4 seasons. However, that's especially a good thing for buyers to consider. Not only is demand down a little bit at this point in the year, but also we have the programs, particularly for first-time buyers, that are amazing, that are still in place, 100% financing. One of the entities that offers these programs recently upped their income requirements or their income limits. So a lot of people think that some of these special programs are limited to low or moderate income. And that's not necessarily true. You'd be surprised how many families and individuals will actually qualify in today's market. So we have that in addition to the grant programs. Grant programs, 100% financing, and even the first generation program that I've talked about before, where someone that qualifies can get in with 2 percentage points lower than market rate. And that translates into $300 or more savings per month on most homes. So that's a huge benefit. If you have questions about that, be sure to give me a call. I'd be happy to go into detail, put you in touch with the best lenders here in Central Virginia for first-time buyers. Okay, here on the rear, we can see we've got a nice oversized deck. This is perfect for entertaining. We have a nice wide driveway. You could get 2+ cars here all the way up this driveway. It was recently resurfaced. We've got a staircase and rear door there going into our mudroom area. So we'll, of course, see that here momentarily. Special thanks to Susan Duncan, a listing agent that was kind enough to allow us to come in and take a look at her beautiful listing. And that's Suzanne. I may have mispronounced her name. It's Suzanne, not Susan. So we've got a great looking vinyl exterior here, aggregate walkway. I'm working with new camera technology today, so there's a little bit of a learning curve. If it looks a little crazy, please forgive me. I'm still trying to learn the system and navigate it accordingly. All right, let's go on in and take a look, see what this beautiful home has to offer. As we enter, to the left is going to be our formal dining room, of stairs, of course, going up. Walkway going straight back to our family room. And then to the right, this is going to be a more formal space. This is the living room. On the floor, we can see we have a nice ceramic tile. There's chair rail here in the hallway, as well as crown molding. So we've got some really nice detail here in this space. Okay, our floors look absolutely amazing. Good natural light flows into this room. We are getting later on in the day, so we don't have as much light inside as we would normally have in the middle of the day. We are now transitioning into our family room. You can see we have a gas log fireplace with built-ins. Wood floors here throughout this portion of the home. Our double doors going back to the deck, and then our kitchen here to the left. We're going to start back here. This, I believe, was an addition, and it was a very smart addition. This space gives us a nice bright room. We've got plenty of windows. We have skylights, ceiling fan, and we are open here to our oversized deck. We're gonna go out there momentarily, but I'm gonna first walk you back here so you can get a good feel for this space. This would be a great place if you had plants, or if you needed a large home office. This would be great because it would give you lots of natural light. You could of course pop out to the deck if you wanted to get some air, or it could just be simply used as a nice extra space off of the family room. All right, let's pop out here and see what else we have in store on our oversized deck. The deck looks great. I think it was recently painted. We can see we've got 2 levels to the deck, but you've got plenty of space. You could have the whole neighborhood over here and still have plenty of room for the grill and the tables. That's good. Of course, got our door going into our other end of the home. We'll see that momentarily. But we've got a nice corner lot here in the rear. Now, I didn't mention we've got a nice size storage building back there with a shed right next to it. So you got plenty of storage here on this home. All right, let's go back inside and see what else we have in store. I am so excited about this time of year because, ladies and gentlemen, this is when deals typically happen. So if you've been on the fence, this is a great time to go ahead and make that move. We don't know how long some of these benefit programs are going to last because you can see in the federal government, they're cutting any and everything. So you might want to take advantage of them right now. Okay, this is our formal dining room. You can see we've got a nice tasteful wallpaper, crown molding, and chair rail in this space. Once again, beautifully refinished wood floors. I love the neutral tones that we're finding here in this home. Okay, our kitchen. This is where the magic happens. In the middle of the frame is space for your dinette, right under that light fixture. Our back door coming in off of the deck. And here in this gorgeous kitchen, you can see we have an island, enough room there for 2 bar stools, wall oven, and microwave. Our electric cooktop, we do have a ceramic tile on the backsplash. There is under cabinet lighting, you can see there, and they actually ran some up top there. So nice little touch of class here. Notice here on our cabinets, we have the glass front, and then we have space there for, I guess, fine china or whatever you would put between those dowels. They were kind enough to even give us a complimentary cutting board here that matches the top, double bowl sink. And of course, we look right out to the back deck through the insulated windows. Love the maple tones here. It's just a really nice, calming color combination. Some additional storage there in the island. All of the appliances would convey. And now let's make our way here to the left. This is going to be our laundry room. And we've got plenty of storage, as you can see there. A deep freezer in place and a washer and dryer there to the left. Now, deep freezers are not an appliance that we commonly see. So if that was something that you wanted, that could be added in the contract as personal property, just like washer, dryer, fridge. Okay, here in our utility closet, we can see we've got gas furnace and gas hot water. These flues take the hot gases out and through the roof. I know immediately that it's a gas-fired utilities by looking at that. And this, of course, would have central air as well. We have a window, of course, looking out, and a great size here on this powder room. All right, I'm going to take you back through, and we are going to go upstairs to our second level. Before we do that, we do have a coat closet right there, and back upstairs to see what else we have. I just really am a big fan of this location. The Broad Street corridor just has everything you need. I was in Whole Foods yesterday. I had an Amazon return, and it was the first time I had done an Amazon return at Whole Foods. And you just walk right in, and the machine walks you through the steps, and you're done. So really convenient. Nice deep closet here. This, of course, is going to be a secondary bedroom. This is new carpet that's in place. We go down the hallway. We have a linen closet right there. This home does have 2-zone heating and air. So there are 2 units outside. This is going to be a middle-sized bedroom. Now notice the depth. We've got good depth here in this closet. And then we've got the partitioning system that allows you to get the maximum usage out of that space. Directly across, going to be bedroom number 3. I like the fact that we don't have any 10 by 10 bedrooms, and we've got big closets. So that's a huge plus. 1974 was not known as a year for big closets. So it's really nice to have them in a home built during that era. All right, this is going to be our hall bath. Here in the hall bath, we have a marble style floor, double vanity, nice space there, and a tile tub shower, nice space, and of course our throne here in the corner. We also have a window in this bathroom. So I really like what I see here on the second level. Now we're heading into the primary. This, of course, our primary bedroom. The ceiling fan in place, good natural light. You could, of course, get any size bed in this bedroom. Plenty of space to work with. Directly ahead is our closets. Now we have 2 closets here. Definitely a plus. One there, and then another one right here. And our bathroom area. Now, here in the primary bath, we've got space there for a small stool. So if you wanted to have a seat there, you could do that. And apply makeup if that is what you are into. And our tile shower. Notice the gooseneck shower head here. This is adjustable, so you can get it into many different positions, so that stream of water coming down to cleanse you on a daily basis is aimed just right. So I love what I see here. You guys know I'm a big fan of good shower technology, and this home does not disappoint. If you have questions about this or any other home in the market, my name is Max Williams. It would be an honor for me to help. I can be reached on Facebook, under Richmond Area Foreclosures, on YouTube, under my name, Max Williams Realtor. Please be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks so much for taking the tour. Y'all be safe. Have a great day.